welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button.
And what are we playing today, Thea?
We're playing Marble Run.
Marble Run. Should we open it up?
Yeah.
Okay. It's suitable for people from 3 and over.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
Huh?
How old are you, Thea?
3.
You are 3. Do
You
this.
need help taking taxi.
Yeah, can you help me? Good girl.
You help me.
I'll help you too. Anything else in there? Ooh, what are those? What are these, Thea? They're the marbles.
Construction.
The instructions.
And these. That's what I got.
That's all you got. Okay. So the green one are easy. Orange one's medium. Blue one's hard. And the red one's hardest. Okay. Oh, the instructions. Okay. So what goes first?
Red.
Okay, how many?
2. Not ready.
Yeah?
1, 2,
Okay, so what goes after the red one?
3. Blue.
Blue?
Green, red.
Yeah?
Yellow.
You start then.
We have to start at the bottom.
Okay, so which colour do we have to start with then?
We have to start with blue, green, then yellow, then red.
Good girl. Good girl. That's how you do it, yep.
The blue,
You're
then red.
right.
Let's do this piece. This one. Thank you.
And then you want a green one.
Yes, then I need green. Yellow, please. Yellow, please.
Yellow, okay. How many?
Just one.
There you go. And then this. How does that go? The yellow one.
Like this.
Yeah. Perfect. Right. So then the wheel has to go on this black thing. So you take this off and replace it with this. And then you need to start building this one, don't you? So what colour do you need?
Red.
Yep.
Now let's start the marble.
Let's start the marbles. Right. So pick up, what colour marble do you want? Oh, you pick. It's up to you.
Yellow.
Okay. Oh, you know. Okay, so what if you put it from there? Whoa. So you can put it. Yeah, you can put one in there,
Yeah.
and then one in there.
Yeah. I want to do 2 each.
Okay. Wow. Make that there. Number 2, number 4, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Right. So baby, that number 1 is done. Okay. So we need to make number 2 now. So yeah, what colour do you want?
Okay.
So you got yellow. What's next? Green. What colour's next?
Red.
Good girl. know, then you have to put it together to make a big one.
Yeah.
So then this.
So we need the more balls.
Yeah, 1 second. This one goes into here, like this. So this one goes on here, I think. And the other yellow one goes on the red one. Like that. Let's show the camera. Right.
We need the more balls.
Of course you can.
Yay!
There you go.
Thank you. I'm trying to get them all in.
You can't.
All the marbles. So the other marbles.
You can't get them all in at the same time. Right. Should we try a different one?
Yes.
What colour do you need to start first?
Blue.
Blue?
Green.
So that's number 1 made. So now we need to make number 2. So what colour do you need first?
And we need the yellow.
Yellow base.
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow.
Is it yellow?
Red.
Right. Well done. So that's number 2's made.
Now number 3. Daddy, you forgot these.
Yeah, we're going to make that now. So we'll start from the bottom
No,
again.
and you forgot these bits.
Yeah, we're going to do those bits.
Yay.
We made number 1. We made number 2. And we made number 3. Now we join all of them to make number 4. So all you need to do is you put this yellow one onto this. Right. So that's that. And then this one. Ta-da! How cool is that?
So amazing.
You ready for the marbles?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Let's do it again.
Well done. How good is that?
Subscribe to my channel and bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.